Creative redundancy back again, the one known as CR. You don't dig this? Cause I'm transplanting this tomato plant. Here I am just back filling it up. Filling up all the empty void spots, pressing it in just a little here, and now I'm adding in some mulch here to keep that moisture in the ground. Rainwater. Water it in. Oh look, I'm getting some sun too right now. Just let some sunlight in. I'll eventually trellis it up, support it, and all that stuff, and it's ready to go.
As our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.